So last week I got a message on Facebook. The owner of Christopher's Cafe, Chris Sylvia, he messaged me. He wanted to know if I cleaned sidewalks. So I went into the cafe a few days later. He told me, yeah, Chris, I do sidewalks. I do everything. So he asked if I could pressure wash the sidewalks. And I suggested we might as well do the building while I'm there too. So he's running for mayor. Chris started this restaurant, well, 2.5 years ago. And he started a Facebook page, and his Facebook page has really grown, and he's got a real lot of support from the city and like the surrounding towns. If he does any like charitable stuff, the people come like in droves to support him. So there was a bad fire in the city at the Gabriel House. 10 people passed away, and there's over 60 are homeless now, so they're all scattered around at different places. But Chris put on a big fundraiser, and raised over like $45,000. I went to that. I had met him there. I'd never met him before until the fundraiser, and he said, "Oh, I see you on Facebook Reels. You see my videos pressure washing," and we started talking. I said, "Yeah, we should do something together. We'll collaborate." So we have almost the same amount of followers, but he's just got way more support. He's got a better community than not a better, but he's got a stronger community. My followers are from all over the world. He's got a lot centralized around the city and our area. So, but yeah, I was in there the other day, and people were coming in one after the other, donating money, offering to support them for the run for mayor. They're saying they could hold signs. People, it was like one after the other. I couldn't believe it. It's really inspiring. But anyway, we've become friendly over the past few weeks and been doing some collaboration videos and stuff. So yesterday I did the cafe. It's a real high profile spot, and Chris actually like put a few videos up on Facebook, recommended me, and I do a lot of charity work in the city too. I'm not as well known as Chris as far as that stuff goes, but I do a lot too. So people are starting to find me, but it's just like two guys that care about this city, and we're both influencers on top of that. So it's nice to have someone that does the videos and all this stuff like I do, and someone to talk to about it, because I don't really know anyone in my city that does YouTube and Facebook like I do. So anyway, it was a nice job, and it's a small building. He just wanted the cafe done. He doesn't own the whole building. He just leases out the cafe, so we just focus on the sidewalks and the front of the building and the side, and it was like a 2-hour job. He was real happy. He did a video today saying how nice it looked, and I had donated some stuff for the kids in the city. He does a thing for like back to school, so I gave him a bunch of shirts and stuff to give to the kids. And I'll tell you, build a community though, and we'll see how he does for the mayor race. It seems like he's got some pretty good support.